competition world. Today we are going to see about the 11th annual Space Foundation International Student Art Contest is now live and open for submissions. Student artists ages under 3 to 18 are invited. So from age 3 to 18 the students are invited to create and submit original space oriented artwork based on this year's theme. The theme is how space technology helps improve life on Earth. So the contest begins on September 2 and the deadline is announced as December 31, 2020. So nearly 4 months. So let us see more information about that. So here is they have given a short introduction. Seeking talent. So the official contest begins on September 2. So the prizes here is given the age group. Totally 25 winners will be there. So each age group. So there are 3 to 4 and 5 to 6, 7 to 8, 9 to 10, 11 to 12, 13 to 14, 15 to 16, 17 up to 18 up to. So there are 8 age groups in which in each age group there will be 3 selected winners. So totally there will be 25 selected winners and the Space Foundation Achievement Award also will be given. So acceptable art media format. So drawing, you can draw painting, it may be a mixed media. So you know what is mixed media and digital. It can be a digital drawing too. All entries should be submitted by December 31, on or before December 31. So friends, click here the contest rules session to see what the rules and regulations given by the Space Foundation. So the contest rules is that the contest host, they given the contest host, so the contest sponsor, they give the sponsor eligibility. So the form is given, you have to first register. So you have to first register in the Space Foundation website. So register your name. First you have to write your name and register everything. So let us see how to register. So friends, click, you can see here the button, click register or login. So if you are new to the website, you should register. Here they asked your name, your first name and last name, and also username. You can enter your email ID, your password, and the form is given the form of like your parent is filling or a teacher is filling. So if you are a parent of the artist, you can click this, and if you are 18 years old, you should click this, and you can agree with the official contest rules. And friends, after logging in, you will get an email ID. You will get a link in the email ID. So to your email you will get a link. So click that link to confirm your login process. So please make sure to log in clearly and give your details so clearly so that there is no wrong information given here. So let us see the contest period. They have given September 2 to and December 31, and next to enter the contest the student must be approval of the authorities, and they are giving many things because it is that like that you are applying from your school, but in this pandemic situation you can also apply individually too. So they have given some guidelines too, you can read. So only one entry per eligible participant, so you can only post only one entry. There is limitation. So they should interpret the theme, how space technology helps improve life on Earth. The theme is like that, so you have to interpret the theme. So it may be drawing, painting or mixed media, digital, be of an original artwork. So you can upload in JPG or PNG format. In pixels they have given pixels 2400 into 2400 and below 10 MB. So is necessary. So it should not be copyrighted material and not contain any offensive material. So the official rules are given, and the selection of winners are given as the judges will be selecting the winners on each age group 3 to 4, and they will be announcing 3 winners in each age group based on this creativity and originality of your painting or digital diagram, quality and execution other to the theme and overall impression. So these are the 4 criteria. In this criteria the judges will be deciding your submission. Total prizes here, a total of 25 prizes be awarded. First, a Space Achievement Award and 8 first place prizes in each group. It means there are 8 age group. In each group there will be a first place prize and 8 second place prizes in each group and 8 third place prizes in each group. So totally for each age group they will be giving the first prize they will receive $50 and second prize they will receive $50. In each age group they will be receiving $50. Totally the $1,200 will be spent. Here there are more information about the Space Achievement prize and the first place prize. They will be receiving they will be receiving some more an hot set, a ribbon and a certificate, and the second will be receiving the same thing, $50 USD. The third prize too. Winners will be announced on April 22, 2021, which means nearly 1 year later. So entries of the winners will be displayed at the 36th Space Symposium held in Colorado Springs, Colorado, USA in August 2021, and Space Foundation headquarters and Discovery Center located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. So it will be displayed in these two, and the prize award is given. There are many things, their rights and the limitations, liability, there are many things given. So it's that thing you can participate. If you have any doubt you can also ask to this website before March 22. So they are given also the prices. You can see many things about prices and how to enter your after logging in. You can easily enter your you can easily submit your confirmation. Okay, you can easily submit. Let us see about how to submit your artwork. So here they have given the information is safe and secure. The Space Foundation International Art Contest uses most recent web technology, so you don't need to afraid of your copyrighted content. So first you have to write your name, artist name, country, age group. You have to choose age group. Here is choose the file, artist first name and last name, state or province, and age group, and you can choose your file. Upload artwork with minimum resolution of 2428 inches. So they give the centimeter and every dimensions. So once you click submit, it will be submitted. The artwork will be submitted. There are many. Many of them posted. You can see here the posted. You can also view these posted drawings posted by the students in India, many all through the world. You can also filter it here. You can also filter it here by country. I clicked India. Now I can see pictures. Now I see drawings posted by students from India. So you can also choose the age group and see what past winners. You can also see the past winners from 2011 to 20 and also the past winners of 2020. But make sure that you don't do a copyrighted content. Here are the past winners. Those drawings which won prize in the past 3 to 4 years old and 5 to 6 years. So in this prototype only the winners will be announced. So you can also check here and you will get an idea about the drawing actually. So according to the age group they are selecting the pictures. You can see that according to the age group they are selecting the pictures and the originality, and you should have a good thinking skill, imagination of the space, about the space, and you should have a good drawing skill. So students who are enhanced with the drawing skill and good space skill or a space imagination, good space imagining of this about the space, you can definitely participate in this drawing competition, which is for you. It is already said as it is open from 3 to 18 ages. It is open from September 2 to December 31. Make your drawing and get awarded. Thank you friends. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more information. Also click the like button. Share to your friends. They may get this information as valuable. So share to your friends. Comment below your questions. I will answer your questions. If you have any doubt on this, if you found any doubt on this, I will definitely answer your questions. There are answers for every questions. Thank you friends. Thank you.